Hi there. Today I'm going to show you a simple method to get your drawers to slide easily. So we're looking at a little 2-drawer side table, I suppose it is, and this drawer on the right hand side I have treated already, and the drawer on the left hand side I have not treated. So, and I'll show you the difference in the way those two drawers slide. You can see that one slid in and out really easily, and now the one on the left hand side the one on the left hand side is a real struggle getting it out and in. So I'll take out the left hand side drawer, and you can see it's just wood. There's no wheels or any sort of sliders there, I suppose. It's just wood, and then there's a wood track that it slides on, or slides very poorly on. And so what I've done on the right hand side is I've just smeared petroleum jelly on this track on both sides. Okay, so you're looking at the left hand drawer there, or really the space for the left hand drawer, and put a good dollop of petroleum jelly on my finger, and then I'll just smear that along the tracks, and the same on the other side. Put a little bit at the start, at the front. Yep, and just wipe my finger, and I'll put that drawer back in, and hopefully it now slides a lot easier. There we go. That's a big improvement, and that drawer is now sliding much more easily. So there we go. That's a simple method to get your drawers to slide much better in your wooden furniture. Just add a generous amount of petroleum jelly under the drawer to the sliders, and they now slide much better. Okay, hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.